My name's Josh. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I own a construction company. We do renovations and builds. Yeah, so I think actually the first time I noticed it, I was on vacation and I realized that when I took a shower, my top of my head was burning. And then that's kind of where I felt like I started to lose my hair. I was probably around like 24, 25. And I'd say for the last 10 years or so, I've been really wanting to pull the trigger on coming here, and I'm really happy I did. I think drastically, I think I've always been trying to be a confident person, but I felt that kind of deteriorate a little bit over the years. I think just from jumping into swimming pools or just doing your basic stuff. I felt myself wearing and buying hats more, which wasn't really my personality. Yeah, so it was definitely affecting my life. Honestly, you guys were recommended by people that I know who've been here, but I've actually been following this company probably about 6 to 7 years on Instagram already. So I've called around to a bunch of places, narrowed it down to you guys, and then I knew people who came here and I saw how great the job turned out with them, so I just kind of made the commitment and booked. I was really happy with, the steps that were taken to do that. I knew that I still wanted to keep a very natural hairline for myself. I didn't want to go to something that was going to be new. I just kind of wanted to bring back the years, and I think doing that was perfect. The procedure itself was, honestly, I couldn't believe how good it went. I think obviously the beginning part, you're a little bit nervous because you don't really know what to expect because it's technically still a surgery. But I think when you get in there, I was blown away by how I kind of really didn't feel anything. And then the 7 hours kind of flew by, I guess you can say. I am very happy I chose this company. I can tell why you guys are very referred by different people. Everything has been exceptional. The service has been exceptional from the top to the bottom. It's been very, very 5-star. The best thing to say is if you're thinking about doing it is to just make the commitment and do it. I think the hardest part for me was waiting. And now that I've been able to do it, I'm just so happy with the decision.